Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a very useful trick inside the Telegram app on PC, especially after the latest update. If you've ever struggled to find a document, picture, or file that was sent to you in a specific chat, this is the easiest way to locate everything that has been shared without scrolling endlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the app is running on the updated version so you can access the newest interface and features. Next, choose the chat where you know the files were shared. This could be an individual conversation with a friend or a group chat with multiple people. Click on the chat to open it. Now look at the very top of the chat window. You'll see the name of the contact or the title of the group. Click on that name, and this will open the detailed chat information panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is the key to finding everything that has ever been exchanged in that conversation. Inside the panel, different tabs will appear, such as Media, Files, and Links. Go ahead and click on the Files tab. As soon as you do, Telegram will display a complete list of all the documents, PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, and any other shared files from that chat. From here, you can scroll through the list, preview items, or download them directly to your computer. This saves you the hassle of searching back through months of messages to find one specific attachment. It's all neatly organized and extremely easy to access in just a couple of clicks. This feature is especially helpful for work groups, study chats, or any conversation where important files are exchanged regularly. Instead of losing track, you'll know exactly where to go every time you need to retrieve something, and that's all it takes. With just a few quick steps, opening the chat, clicking the name, and heading into the Files section, you can instantly access every file that has ever been shared in that conversation.